Grow bags, the blooming trend in urban gardening. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's sprouting up in gardening communities and beyond: grow bags. Whether you're a green thumb or simply curious about this trend, you're in the right place to learn all about it. So, let's cultivate our knowledge and get to the root of what grow bags are all about. In this section, we explore what grow bags are. These are fabric containers used for growing plants. Unlike traditional pots, grow bags are made from breathable materials, which offer several benefits for plant growth. They're flexible, portable, and can be a great alternative for those lacking space for a conventional garden. Grow bags offer a variety of advantages. Improved root health. The breathable fabric prevents root circling and encourages a healthier root system. Temperature control. The material allows excess heat to escape, protecting roots from temperature extremes. Portability. Grow bags can be easily moved, making them perfect for balconies, patios, or small urban spaces. Storage. When not in use, they can be folded and stored away, saving space. Using grow bags is simple. 1. Fill the bag with the appropriate soil mix. 2. Plant your seeds or seedlings. 3. Water adequately, and ensure there is proper drainage. 4. Place the grow bag in a location that receives adequate sunlight. When using grow bags, be sure to avoid overwatering. Despite good drainage, it's still possible to flood plants. Do not use soil that is too dense. It can suffocate the roots. Remember to move the bags gently to prevent damage to the plants inside. Grow bags are perfect for urban environments where space is limited. They allow city dwellers to enjoy gardening by making it accessible and manageable, even in smaller spaces like balconies or rooftops. And that's a wrap on grow bags. They truly are a nifty solution for modern gardening challenges. If you're thinking of starting your urban garden or just want to try something new, grow bags might just be what you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.